Hi, I'm Jenny from Refresh Living, and today I'm going to make this Ryobi battery work in this four-wheeler that we picked up on the side of the road. We tried to make it run and the battery is definitely dead. Now, the charger was not with this vehicle when it was on the side of the road. So I looked into possibly buying a new Power Wheels battery, and I think if I remember right, they're around $80. So that was a little more than I wanted to spend. So I've read that these Ryobi batteries will make the Power Wheels definitely go faster because they're a higher voltage, and we also have the chargers already in our garage and in our basement. I recently found on Etsy a seller who is making these. Let me show you it. So this is the secret to making this a totally DIY project without needing really any wiring expertise at all. I think this was $25. You can see it's been 3D printed, but it obviously fits perfectly onto Ryobi battery. So this is a fuse here, and I've read that this is a super important part. A lot of the harnesses I've seen on Etsy don't have this part. So basically, if something happened, you would just replace this fuse, which I think is just a couple bucks, and it won't ruin the entire battery. So this is how the battery connects to the car. So what we're gonna need to do is we need to get this piece out of this old battery so that we can wire it to this piece here. So you're gonna use a flathead screwdriver to just gently pry off the top. You wanna be careful when you're around this part because you can damage it because it's plastic, but it comes off pretty easily. The top is off. Here's what we need. This is what we need here. So we are going to pop this part out and then kind of pull up as much of the wire as we can and then snip off the ends of the wire. We need. All right, so we are going to connect this to the setup we got from the fabulous Etsy seller. So you can use this actually as a tool, but white, it says right here, is positive. Black is the negative side. Another thing you could do to check the polarity is on your Ryobi battery, there will be marked positive and negative. So if you were to kind of put this in here, that would show that this would be the negative side, this would be the positive side. So again, I want positive to positive, so that is red to white, black to black. For now, I'm going to use these wire connectors because this is what I have, but I do want to get butt end ones. I just don't have them for 12 gauge wire right now. So I'm going to switch that out later with that, but I figure we can at least test it with these for now. All right, so we're gonna give this a test. Hook up the battery here. This is charged already, of course. Then this, we'll hook up into here. All right, so as you can see, I had to tape up
my piece because the top little wires were falling out. But the Etsy seller has since updated the model and has all the wires enclosed, so you shouldn't even have to worry about this, which is a great upgrade. So I'd highly recommend getting this one if you're looking to retrofit your Power Wheels with a Ryobi battery.
All right, so this is the first time we're gonna give it a go. Go ahead, Ella, see how it works. It works.
Thanks so much for watching. Feel free to head to my blog, refreshliving.net, or subscribe to my channel. Thanks.